Hello there, today I show you my elastic painting effect, how to use it and custom it. There is previously some apply result. See, now we have include different type of effect. This is the one kind of, and there is the another of. This is original photo and brush the area in focus point. Then you play the script. This is the result and another effect looking. So I have after and before. See, now I will show you how to use it and custom it and give you some extra tricks. First, go my download file. There is the ATN file, brush file, help file and pattern file. You can check out the help file. There is some size and our supporting information include. You can very easily get the support following the information. Okay, and select and double click here your mouse the brushes, then it's load automatically your Photoshop. Same way you can load pattern, select and double click your mouse like this one is load your Photoshop automatically if your Photoshop is firstly one. Okay, or you can load manually. Go Photoshop, go window and the brush section. You can go this option, the input brush, and find out my folder, and there is the only show brush file brushes. Make sure you go folder my download, select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Or you can load pattern, go window the pattern option and pattern option show, go there and the input pattern, and again find out my file, download file elastic painting, and select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Go window and layer option, click for layer showing. Okay, and now go window and action option, click. Maybe action option show the right side in your place. I have set it left side for my window better understanding purpose. And go there and the load button, click in the load option and find out my file, select and load button, click. Now file is loaded. Up and down option, this is the folder action and this is the script. All in on play action, play me. Okay, but we need to open first photo. I have opened this photo, and you can use any of size. See that this photo is the high resolution. If you use the high resolution image, then action need to time extra, but you can use the standard size. Okay, now follow all step. Make sure your photo is a background layer lock icon show. There is the lock icon and background layer. Sometimes some image look like PNG transparent or others format. That is not action, that is not accept the action. Action make the result. If your photo PNG transparent or other format, layer 0 format, you need to fix it. Right button, click the layer option mouse, and there fit an option show. Just click there. Now it's set a lock background layer, and make sure this option, the panel option, small enter use, and as it is my setting, all are tick mark as I show. And make sure your photo is RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode and RGB color. Just click RGB color. Now is if any message show, click OK. Now RGB is converted or already RGB, then do not need to do anything. I have less the image size. You can use any high resolution image. I have typed there 3500 pixel. Any of site you can use any high resolution image. Don't worry about this. Script work nicely and perfectly. Now I have you can use the select the brush tool and make the brush, or you can use the pen tool, but must be delete the path tool if you use the pen tool. I use the quick selection tool for shortcut option. There is the quick selection tool. Select quick selection tool and select subject button show there. I have clicked there. My focus point is already focus. There is the only the main person selection, but I need to add my board. Okay, and I click the alter and I click shift, then I bigger the area my selection in both section. Okay, I think is okay. Just shift click and mouse. Okay, just add, or you can add a brush yourself. Create a new layer and double click new layer text option, type there BRUSS brush, same my spelling, do not include any others character, space, hyphen, comma, uppercase or lowercase letter, only lowercase. And brush layer is name is brush, and any color, any light color you can print the brush layer, or you can fill up the pen bucket tool like this one, pen bucket tool, fill up the color. Okay, and my photo is the selection mode on. If the selection mode on and you play the script make the error result. So go selection and deselect first. Okay, and select the brush. If any area mistake, you can brush manually. Just make sure you brush the brush layer, and you have select the brush layer, and brush layer is view it. Okay, just as it is my looking. And now I have hit the play button, click this one, the all in one place, select and play button, start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. I have attached more effect looking. You can try every effect, and I show you how to combine the effect. Just wait and see, it's working. Need some time. Is auto set any type of image. Just make sure your image is the better quality or concept or composition, then it's look like real artistic abstract painting. Okay, is working. And check out our profile. We have released some of bundle. Hello there, action is done working. Now we can custom. There is more layer, unview it, just view the layer. This is the finishing result, default result setting. See the looking abstract looking is perfectly working, and your photo see perfectly looking. And there is one thing, this is the half of stock. You can use the full stock. I use this option very easily, see, but there is a no do not any dark stock looking. I have opacity upgrade, and you can use the multiply option. If you think already I have used this one for the focus point, and there is the our another real look purpose. You can select this, the photo stock real try one, select the black marks option and the brush option. You can brush it, see your photo realistic look show. So if you think need any of area, you can brush the area very easily. Just black point brush, and make sure top color is the white, or any of color maybe sometime this one the change, but follow the white color now. And I show you there is the extra color added, the more lighting color, and this is the only for lighting and shading color. You can add very easily. And another one, this is the color control, and color added, extra color added. We have, see the composition is very nice, and I just show you is fully professional, and all are HD quality and great looking, see. Okay, now I have shown you my another result. See, this is the another photo effect, and you can view this one and another looking, see, is all are great. And another one and another one. You can check out all. So you can lace this if you think the mix the back one and top one. I just show you. And another one and another one, and this one is the brushing style. You can use this one for look this one, and need to back white. So, and then uncheck all back layer, only view the background layer, and you can use this one there is the another looking, and this is our looking. Double click this white option and you can pick the any of color, change very easily. This is the another looking. So I have used this one and I uncheck this one. I do not need this one now, and you can use this one and uncheck this one. See, there is the another looking this photo. This photo, uncheck this one, the another looking. Okay, and I have unchecked this option and use this one or use this one. That is totally depend of you. And this one is very nice. So I have closed this one and use another photo like this photo. I have make the crop tool use and make some size. Make sure brush and pick the color, the picker color, eyedropper tool, and pick color, and the brush white color fill needed, so it's work nicely. And image, I have typed that 300 pixel. You can use any of size. Quick selection tool and select subject button click. It's working on selection, it's perfectly select. And brush, and I have change the color and fill up with my brush layer, and the selection mode is on. Selection deselect, and I have hit the play button click and it's working. So it save your time very quickly, and you can customization your photo very easily and digital painting very easily. I think now I need to skip the video. Okay, see, I'm back. It's working. Just 30 seconds or 1 minute needed. Hello, direction is done working. So this is the result. You can see, and I have used this one for lighting and the color adding purpose. You can use this one, and this one is very nice. And you work the face tone area, just go this option. This option is stock and black point and brush. See, okay, any of area you can brush, and it's view it. Okay, thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile MRI Studio, and live chat with my Facebook fan page and WhatsApp number. You can get our live support any days. Just message the WhatsApp and fix the time. Please rate this item if you like this item, or follow our YouTube channel for more updates.